Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Nintendo Switch Joy-Con controllers to your Android smartphone. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So do you want to go ahead and connect your Joy-Con controllers to your Android smartphone? Well, this is very easy to do. The first thing we'll have to do is turn on Bluetooth on our smartphone. So what we want to do is take two fingers and swipe down from the top, locate Bluetooth, and go ahead and turn this on. So once we get to this screen, what we'll want to do is go ahead and turn on our Bluetooth controllers. So to do that, we will want to press this little black button on our controller. So let's press that. And you got to press it down for like a second for it to go ahead and start looking for devices to pair with. So I press it down for a second and you can see the light is coming on. And if you're searching for devices, you have to press the scan button right here on your phone too. So just swipe down a little bit, and then my Joy-Con controller is showing up right here, and it's indicated that this is the right Joy-Con. And if this pops up, go ahead and press OK so you can request a pair. And it's pairing down below. And it's now connecting. So that is the right Joy-Con. Let's go ahead and do the left one. Press and hold this little black button down a little bit. So that was about a second. Now the light is turning on. Let's press scan, and it's scanning on my phone. And here's my left Joy-Con. So let's select that, and I should get a prompt for a permission to request a pair. Press OK. So now both those are connected. Let's press done. Now we can go ahead and use this on our phone now. So as you can see, I can move around, and you kind of have to hold it like this up and down. You can't hold them together like this and like play with a normal controller like you would with a PlayStation or Xbox controller for some reason. They are independent controllers, so I mean they both are the same thing, so they don't work in conjunction to each other. Like the left thumbstick and the right thumbstick won't work in a video game together. They're just independent controllers, so you got to think of them like that. So this one will go up and down, left and right. And I haven't found too many games they actually work with. You cannot play Fortnite with them. You cannot play Call of Duty with them. And yeah, not too many games that I know of work. So if you know of any games that actually work well with the Joy-Con controllers on your phone, go ahead and comment down below. So go ahead and test this out yourself, see if there's any good games that actually work with their Joy-Con controllers. And if this video did indeed help you out, connect your Joy-Con controllers real quick to your phone, go ahead and leave this video a thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.